Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, can't we agree ukuthi we are very disappointed on Tirelo, right? Izingane zeSithembu part 2. Now this is what happened. Tirelo decided to write a letter. Oh, not a letter, a WhatsApp to Amahle, right? If you remember correctly, and if I can find the video, I'm going to post it here. If I can find the video, ne? I'm going to post it here. Do you remember on the Last Supper where Uvuyokazi was? Tirelo said to Uvuyokazi, I am happy that you finally chose yourself. You stopped fighting for a man. Now you know your self-worth, or you know your worth. Like along those lines. Insinuating ukuthi Tirelo did not, Uvuyokazi did not love herself by continuing to be in a relationship nompumelelo. Umpumelelo ongamthandi ongamtsheli next, because everything had to via Tirelo, and Tirelo knew everything about Usibindi. And Uvuyokazi was left in the dark. And that annoyed Uvuyokazi, and Uvuyokazi ended up calling Tirelo igqwirha, like she's a witch. And at that time, it was funny to Tirelo, because it was as if Vele Usibindi is his BFF, like they are buddies, nothing can separate them, to an extent that they can even share izinto ezi personal, right? Sharp. So now here's the thing. I want to talk about this thing that she wrote to Amahle. Now, Tirelo, in her supremacy, decided to write a letter to, a WhatsApp to Amahle. Now, this is the gist that I have received. If I get another one, if I get more, you will get. Ne? The first thing is, she says, love it for you, sis. I don't know, was it relating to the Lobola or what? But number one, you don't love it for her, because if you loved it for her, we wouldn't be seeing all the things that you are saying now, right? Love it for you, sis. Please do talk to him. Now, Tirelo is asking Amahle to please speak to Usibindi. The very Sibindi who is transparent to, like, with her and tells her everything. Please do talk to him to not neglect his son. Just because he doesn't want to account for sleeping around. Uhluleke nami, not ingani, ayondle ngiyacela. Not, remember when he was accounting and telling Tirelo ukuthi he's got an STI, and the STI information was hidden from Uvuyokazi, and Uvuyokazi was livid. But now the situation was turned around as if Uvuyokazi is livid because she is difficult to be to talk to. Nan. And now the best friend and the relationship now, ibuya ngakuye. She is the one now that is saying, do not sleep around to Usibindi. Remember in the previous 2 episodes, she was explaining to the ladies, ukuthi yena sekagwinya ipilisi. Now that ugwinya ipilisi, why do you worry ukuthi usleep around nobani? Because you are dating a person that slept around when she was dating you. Before Uvuyokazi, every Tom, Dick and Harry was being introduced. Now you are the one busy doing woman to woman. All right, sharp. Then Amahle responds. Amahle uthi, how? Sorry, my love. The my love statement, you can see Guti, she's being sarcastic, right? Sorry, my love. Ezababili azingeno. Meaning Uguti, whatever thing that is going between you and Usibindi, I as Amahle, as the official Makoti Kamseleku, I cannot entertain. Right? Then she continued to say, Amahle, Ngiubani nje mina? Who am I? Ongakhuluma lezo indaba. Who can speak such news? Ne? Now, Amahle, in this statement, she was withdrawing herself to say, I cannot get into the business of you, your baby daddy, and your baby. because I am not supposed to even be on that line in that there's a line that needs to be taught when it comes to that. I don't even have a child of my own, so I cannot be entertaining things. That's how I'm reading it, right? Okay. She continues to say, this is the part that killed me. As you said, akuyona group work. So there was something that was said prior to this messages above where Utirelo alluded to Lestembu not being a group work. Now her words are coming to catch her because now she said it to Amahle. Amahle is saying it back to Umtiritir. No, Amahle, ngathi ngiyamthanda already. This is why I'm disappointed at Utirelo. Ne? She continues to write a paragraph. Or I don't know why I misdirected my anger to you. I let whatever that's going on take me out of character. Now you misdirected your anger to her because you feel that she is taking the position that you were holding as Utirelo while Uvuyokazi was here. While Uvuyokazi bekayitop wena boyi center of attention. Now the roles have turned. This is the thing that Uvuyokazi was trying to tell you on the table, but you couldn't understand, you couldn't listen, because at that time you were the one that was loved more according to your perception, right? She continued to say, that's on her. She acted out of character. Honestly, vele ungenaphi wena. Asking Gusivele Amatle, this is none of your business. No, and then she asked a question and she answered herself. Nowhere. Although your response was so condescending and sarcastic, which actually just proved to me that you just bluntly don't see me or rather respect me. Now, when they had the discussion of respect with Uvuyokazi, she reminded Uvuyokazi that you are not in a relationship with me, you are in a relationship with Usbindi. You shouldn't be asking me such things, you should be asking Usbindi. Where does she get the audacity to ask about the respect or demand respect? Because when she was supposed to give the same respect to Vuyokazi, she was unable to. La bona taba ya rona ya basadi hore ina le bothata mo kae. That's why ke nyako le busa go Vuyokazi hore when she was doing woman to Vuyokazi, when she was still on a high pedestal, it landed, but now it's not landing because now the woman to woman is not getting, it's not being said the way it was supposed to be said, if I may put it like that. All right, let's continue, right? And she says, because in all honesty, I was like, shooty le pillow talk ingam. What nonsense is this? Nonetheless, it is what it is. And exactly, yes, the pillow talk is now about you. You are 100% there. Because at one point, the pillow talk was all about Uvuyokazi. This thing is just same script, different cast. Same script, different cast. And she concludes by saying, just because my relationship is over and you shouldn't, just because my relationship is over, now you shouldn't be happy, total bull what, right? I just wanted to apologize for misdirecting my anger. Guys, just because the other relationship was over, you were happy, you were over the moon. Right now, Amahle is the one that is cruising nicely. You are the one Mchichirizwin. You guys, do you guys understand? This woman to woman thing is a fruitless exercise at this point, because when it was necessary between Uvuyokazi and Utirelo, Utirelo saw herself as better, as more of an equal to Usbindi rather than Utirelo, to an extent where she said, you don't love yourself to an extent that you made a child with Usbindi just to prove that you can also have a boy. You have 2 children with a man that does not love you. At that time, she also had umntwana no Sbindi. Now, this whole thing, you see, woman to woman, is not working for her, because at this point, as intelligent as she is, as she was able to give advice to Uvuyokazi on the table, she's doing the same thing no Amahle. Amahle should actually be the one that is saying to her, love yourself enough to walk away. Because this thing, if Utirelo is not seeing it, it's same script, different cast. The script is still the same. The positions are different. Now you are on Vuyokazi's shoes and Amahle is in your shoes. And now the heat is like the stove is burning because now you understand what Vuyokazi was saying all along. And unfortunately, you can't go back to Vuyokazi and say, girl, I'm sorry, you told me so, and I say it now. And now you can leave Amahle with the piece of advice that Vuyokazi should have left with you. I saw him tiri. We just a team. We just a team tirelo. Ake khathalo romango ring. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.